Hi, so for this video I'm gonna teach you how to turn off the burst photo on iPhone. If you are an iOS user, you will know what I mean by this. So let me show you what I meant by burst photo. So first you need to turn on your timer, right? So look at the lower part of the screen. You will see the burst photo. You will know because if you check the photo, you will see that it took a lot of picture, and if you don't want that, I have two tips for you. First, turn on the HDR, then check this. So it only took one picture. And then the second tip is you turn on your live photo. Okay, so let me try it, and then there you have it. Okay, so it didn't take a burst photo. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.